my other favorite tarts, and quite a few of my friends' favorite tarts, is a traditional pecan pie. Now, this time of year I make a lot of different tarts to give away and send out to family and friends. And so today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make these amazing little pecan pies. Perfect mouthful and just a nice snack. It doesn't take any effort whatsoever, and they are absolutely out of this world. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of melted butter which is then being cooled, a quarter of a cup of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, a tablespoon of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of chopped pecan nuts. Now this is really straightforward and easy to put together, and once again I'm going to be using my pie shells that I buy from the store because I make some of these little tarts. You can also do a 9-inch pie dish for this. To start off, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We start off in a medium bowl by putting in our 2 eggs and just whisking them until they're slightly frothy. And once they are, we're going to whisk in our slightly cooled melted butter. And then we're going to add in our sugars. And once your sugar has started to sort of melt and incorporate like that, we're going to add in our flour, whisk that in, and then our vanilla and our milk. And once that's nice and smooth and quite runny, but some of the sugar started to melt and it's all sort of come together very nicely, we're going to put in our crushed up pecans. And you're just going to mix that in until they're sort of evenly distributed. And this is really straightforward. I have got 18 pie shells here, but usually around 15 to 18 of them if you're doing the little 3-inch tarts. If you're doing one big pie, obviously a 9-inch pie crust. And really simply, I'm taking just under a quarter of a cup of the mixture and simply filling it into each one of my tarts. And now we're going to pop that into our 400-degree oven for 10 minutes and then turn the heat down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and leave it in there for another 15 to 20 minutes at most. Now if you're doing a full 9-inch pie, then you want to leave it in for another 30 to 40 minutes until you can see that it is set. And the whole house has got a really lovely nutty but also very sort of caramel type smell going on. The tarts turned out absolutely perfectly at 15 minutes with a sort of light harder crust on the top, and on some of them I popped a half a pecan just so that they look really nice, but perfect little tart. Let's give this a try. That is just perfect. The inside is just the right consistency. It's got just the perfect amount of pecan nuts in there and no corn syrup. I really like this recipe for that. This is amazing. You've got to try this, and if you did, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section below how this turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Remember too that you can follow me on all of my social media. Those links are below in the comment section as well. If you would like to see some more of my treats and snacks, you can check out this playlist right here. And if you're looking for something for the last minute for Christmas, check out this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.